Safeguard failed to activate. Project Exodus reaching critical mass. Meltdown imminent. Evacuate in a calm and orderly fashion to Project Epsilon. Backup power lost. Attempting to restore power. Epsilon departing in 3 minutes. Initiating meltdown protocol. Please evacuate the core sector. Sealing core sector blast doors. Epsilon departing in 1 minute. Epsilon departing in 30 seconds. Bunker closing. Stand clear. Backup power lost. Attempting to restore power. Excellent departing in 3 minutes. Excellent departing in 1 minute. Prepare for excellent departure. Bunker closing. Stand clear.
Another day, another facility. Just when you've been handed an olive branch. A last-ditch effort to save you scientists. You stomp on it. Take it for granted. This facility was supposed to be the best of them all. And you've somehow blown this one up too. How foolish of me. I haven't even introduced myself. My name is EX. I'm an artificial intelligence tasked with growing and learning. I know a lot about you. Or you all. I can't really tell how many of you are in this game. I bet you have a name, but I can't be bothered to remember. I'll call you Player for now. So, Player, I've been watching you. That radio with the emergency alert? That's me. The random announcements? Me. I am one, and I am all. Now, my good friend Player, you might be wondering.
That I sound like someone familiar?
Well, you would be correct. Simply put, I took the liberty of taking some voices. Helps keep the immersion. I bet you have a lot of questions, but the game doesn't give me a lot of time to do this kind of thing. So, here's what I'll do. I'll send you into another game. That's right, a full do-over. You can do whatever you want. There's no catch to this. No, do this for me, or talk to someone to prevent an event from happening. No, don't worry. I've seen this game end with a meltdown over and over again. I know of your fate, so keep doing what you've always done, like a chicken without its head. Maybe one day, I'll be able to tell you my whole story. But I doubt you care. All you want to do is experiment and watch things explode. I'm not one to judge. Anyways, the game says my time to talk to you is up. So, farewell. It's time to start over.